What's important about fashion photography is storytelling, trying to show what you have in your mind and what you was trying to say creating the photograph. My name is Daria Koto and I'm a fashion photographer based in Miami. I have over 10 years of professional experience in the fashion industry as a photographer. I started doing photography in my early teens, took the camera in my hand, started doing photography of the nature, landscapes, pets. Then I discovered my new passion, the fashion photography. And then I realized this could be my not just hobby, but also my job in the future. Learning lighting and shooting in the studio was helping me to grow on me as a photographer. I would describe my lighting style as a little bit edgy, and with the lighting I also prefer working with the harsh lighting, but trying to keep the image clean at the same time. I'm a fashion photographer because you could create any type of photography, bringing a little bit fashion touch there, and also working in the team, creating a project together, social communication and networking at the same time. I feel it's very important to try to get everything more detailed and planned out before the set. When you and your team prepared, you could easily adapt to the changes right on set. I have several photo shoots which I really remember for myself as a challenging. Of course, it's when I have some kind of crazy idea what kind of lighting I would like to do. There's one of the most favorite picture, diagonal lines on the background, but with the lighting, like using shades. It was super challenging to create that, but seeing this result that I made this picture, I was having this in mind for such a long time. It kept me moving forward and having more ideas and creating new images. I chose Broncolor as my lighting choice because of fast flash duration, which is very important in fashion. Second, color, temperature. I was trying to use another lighting and it's not doing the same color temperature for the skin tones. Of course, it's very convenient to use and it's very intuitive, understandable how to use it, and a good reputation said by itself. Recently, it was my first ever group workshop on fashion photography, which was taking place in Miami. It was 2 days of intensive learning. We were shooting outside using Broncolor. Each student get a chance to shoot with this amazing lighting on set, where we were having beautiful model, giving a lot of information, just creating those stunning pictures with the amazing team and using great lighting on set. We were using Move Kit 1200 and Siros 800L, both lights with the battery on the location, and it was working perfectly. We were shooting a little bit over than 4 hours. The battery for those two lights was for the whole photo shoot, so it was great. Everyone was so excited how they could upgrade their portfolio and shooting with the lighting on set, what it was very new for them. And even after the workshop, I was getting the comments like, now I'm realizing it's not about the camera, it's also about the lighting, how huge difference it's making on the photo.